Ardmore Beach, a coastal masterpiece. Ardmore Beach is a breathtaking crescent of golden sand stretching approximately 500 meters along the coast, framed by dramatic shale and sandstone cliffs. Awarded the prestigious Blue Flag status for water quality and environmental management. It's one of Ireland's premier swimming destinations during summer months. Ardmore's monastic heritage, round tower and cathedral, dominating the skyline. Ardmore Round Tower stands as one of Ireland's best preserved examples of early Christian architecture. Built around 800 AD by St. Declan, who established a monastery here before St. Patrick's arrival. This 30-meter tall tower served dual purposes. Bell tower, calling monks to prayer. Ardmore Cliff Walk, Ireland's most scenic coastal path. The Ardmore Cliff Walk is a 4-kilometer looped trail offering constantly changing vistas that showcase Ireland's wild coastal beauty. Rated as moderate difficulty, the walk takes approximately 1.5 or 2 hours to complete and features Ardmore Village, authentic Irish coastal life, with just 400 permanent residents. Ardmore maintains an intimate, authentic atmosphere while offering quality amenities. Local accommodations, from luxury at Cliff House Hotel to charming BBs like Glenville House. Artisan shops, Ardmore Pottery and Gallery showcasing local crafts. Annual Festival, the Ardmore Pattern Festival, which is at late July, celebrating St. Declan with traditional music and dancing. Food specialities, fresh Atlantic seafood, particularly crab and lobster from local fishermen. Try the seafood platter at the White Horses restaurant. Traditional pubs, Cronin's Bar, which is established at 1864 for seafood chowder and live music sessions. For seaside camping, there's a dedicated mobile home park. And breathtaking drone views. Discover the charm of Ardmore, a peaceful seaside village on Ireland's southeast coast, and dive into the historic beauty of during peak season. It's a safe and serene place for family beach days. Ardmore Beach is a stunning crescent of golden sand, awarded Blue Flag status for its cleanliness, water quality, and safety. Its gently sloping shoreline and calm, sheltered waters make it especially ideal for children to paddle and swim in summer with lifeguards on duty. Right near the beach, you'll find a beautifully designed sensory park, a thoughtful space for children of all abilities, seaside camping and mobile home parking. If you're planning a road trip or looking to stay close to nature, free parking is available right by the beach and cliff walk entrance, making it super convenient for families and day trippers. Scenic cliff walks and historic sites. Take the Ardmore Cliff Walk, one of Ireland's most scenic coastal trails, where you'll witness dramatic sea cliffs, hidden coves, and even historic shipwreck markers. Along the route, don't miss the ancient Round Tower, once used to protect local monks from Viking raids. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to Voyage for more travel adventures. Bye!